So this is the first lecture of Liii STEM. We are gonna teach you some basic concept of the Liii STEM. So let us first see the interface. This line is called the menu. This is called the menu bar. And the second line is called the mode toolbar. And the third line is called the focus toolbar. So what is mode? So mode represents the different writing styles. For example, if you are writing some text like hello world, you should type this in the text mode. And if you want to type some mathematical equations, you should type in the math mode. And you see, if I put my cursors inside the mathematics, the mode toolbar will switch to the math mode. So you can see the mode toolbar to decide which mode are you in. And the last one is the command mode. We won't teach a lot of command mode in this tutorial. So this is for command mode. You can type some commands in here. And with mode, you have the focus toolbar, which represents the current environments you are in. So environment is a sub-concept of modes. For example, in the text modes, you have different environments. For example, I'm currently in the itemize. So the focus toolbar shows that I'm currently focused on the itemize environment. And if I put my cursors in here, and now I'm in the section, I'm focused on the section environment in the text mode. And also for mathematics, if I switch from inline formula to displayed formula, and then we are focused on the displayed formula environment in the math mode. So in order to use Liii STEM, you need to get familiar with this concept. And also with the environment, we also have sub-environments. For example, we are in the title environments. We can add a sub-environment called author. And you see the fonts becomes different. The fonts becomes different. I can also add a sub-environment after the author. For example, the email. See? And also for math modes, I have different sub-environments. Like I can insert, for example, mathematics with alignment equations. And the sub-environment may be a fraction or matrices. See? So this is the basic concept. And in the text mode, we have another environment called enunciations. Enunciations are text blocks such as theorem, proposition, lemma, or proof. So I can add a theorem, I can add a proof. A wrong way to do this is to nest in these environments. For example, if I put proof inside theorem, so the fonts in the theorem should be italic, and the fonts in the proof environment should be standard. If I put the proof environment inside the theorem environment, Liii STEM does not know which font you are trying to have. Sometimes it will cause error. So do not cascade or nest in these environments.